One of the best things you can do with ServiceM8 is connect it to your cloud accounting software. ServiceM8 supports integrations with leading accounting apps, being Xero and QuickBooks Online worldwide, and MYOB Business in Australia and New Zealand. Connected together, ServiceM8 and your accounting package form an end-to-end best practice pipeline of communication, job management, and accounting. Job and client details are entered once in ServiceM8, where you manage the job from start to finish. When the job's complete and paid, you can then raise the invoice in your accounting package for easy reconciliation. It's a connection which streamlines your invoicing and reconciliation workflow, eliminates double entry, and avoids mistakes. Connecting ServiceM8 to your accounting package is straightforward. On your desktop, go to ServiceM8 add-ons and find your accounting package. Then click Connect. There may be some steps to confirm details like how tax is dealt with. You'll authorize the connection to ServiceM8, and with that, you're done. Once connected, clients, items, and tax settings in your accounting package will be imported to ServiceM8 for use when creating jobs and adding billable items. So, if you've imported a client from your accounting package, you can search and add them when creating a new job in ServiceM8. You can also search your synced items and services when creating a quote or invoice in ServiceM8 anywhere. From this point on, changes made to a synced client or item in either system will automatically update the other. When it comes to new clients and items you create in ServiceM8, these will only be sent to your accounting package if they're contained in an invoice and will remain synced from that point on. Invoices are raised in your accounting package immediately after they're approved in ServiceM8. As a quick recap, once a job status is updated to completed, it appears in invoicing, where it can be approved to your accounting app. You can approve an invoice a few different ways. You can approve it as part of the checkout process on site by toggling this switch on. In the invoicing menu of the app under Awaiting Approval, online in the job card of a completed job, and in the invoicing page under Awaiting Approval. Simply right-click or check the box, then Approve. For example, in the app under Awaiting Approval, we have this job. We can see here an invoice has been sent to the client, and here how long it's been since the job was completed. When you tap it, you can see here if it's been paid. This job's invoice is sent and it's fully paid, so all that's left to do is raise it in our accounting package for reconciliation. So we'll tap Approve. This is a key part of the connection between ServiceM8 and your accounting app. When you hit Approve, this is the moment ServiceM8 sends a job's invoice and payment details to your accounting package. Keep in mind, you can also use this act of approving the invoice as a checkpoint for other processes in your invoicing workflow, such as reviewing the billable items on the invoice, sending the invoice, or checking for payment. Over in our accounting package, we can see a new invoice has been raised with the same job number and the client's name. With this connection, you've got a single reference number from start to finish. The job details and items you entered in ServiceM8 have come across, the invoice's description's there, the payment's there, and staff have invoiced the job from ServiceM8, the same system the job was managed in from day one. It's a connection which saves time and provides value all day, every day. So, we've looked at approving a job which is invoiced and paid. Let's look at another scenario where the invoice hasn't been paid yet. If it suits, you can still approve an unpaid invoice from ServiceM8 to your accounting package. Once you record payment in ServiceM8, the paid status will sync and update the invoice in your accounting package, with the exception of MYOB. Alternatively, you can approve an unpaid invoice, then record its payment in your accounting package, with the payment status syncing back and updating ServiceMate. Check out the Help Center for the specifics of how the connection works for your accounting package.